Hi everybody, Rob, Dominic Garden Machinery. So we come outside the front of the shop. We're going to just attempt, this is going to be an attempt, just to tidy up some of these trees because these limbs are dead, with the Wolf Garten extendable pole and the Powercut 370 saw. There are two options on the saws. I'm not going to bore you to death, guys. You get the Powercut 370, you get the Powercut 370 Pro. The only difference being, on the Pro one you get a hook on the end. And the hook on the end, and I think you get one there as well, and they're good for, if you've got a branch tied up in a tree, you just grab the end. And also, if you're working quite high up and you can't see what you're doing, it stops the end of the saw kind of pulling back through the branch. All right, but for your domestic home owner, this is ample. Fits on like so. This goes from 2.2 to 4 meters. So I'll open this out a second. You can see, pretty long. Or not long, very long. We're there, pretty long. All right. And you can have different attachments. Again, I think we've done one on the loppers. They fit on the same pole. So, like I said, we'll try it and see what happens, okay? So basically the idea is you can work away from yourself and just push and pull. It cuts on both strokes, all right? Nice and quick. When they're new, they're nice and sharp. Let's see if we can take this bit down. As I said, it's quite a wobbly tree, so I'm going to have to go higher. Right, it's hard work, all right? So don't get too ambitious in your garden. A tricky one to show because it moves so much. Ideally, you'd want a petrol powered or battery one just to give it a nut and then cut it off for the movement. But they're expensive. So for like a cost effective way of taking some bits off your trees and shrubs in the garden, for less than £100, you can have this set up, whereas you're going to be hundreds if you're going to buy a petrol battery equivalent. But you can see, we got about 4 meters up. All right, I'm a bit out of puff because I'm unfit, but there we go. It did it. It's not the cleanest of cuts, but it's a dead branch, doesn't matter. If you're trying to prune it nicely, you'd make more of an effort to get the undercut underneath so it doesn't rip, and get the angle set and then go through the top so it comes off, then you just go after and tidy up. But you can see what you can cope with. I mean, that was probably 4 inches, 5 inches of timber it went through. For your domestic person, you kind of, that's the biggest you want to tackle. Any more than that, that limb becomes really heavy. It might not look heavy in the air. When it comes down, then you've got your greenhouse underneath it. End of greenhouse. So wood's very deceptive in terms of the weight of it. But it does the job. You know, clean the blades afterwards, put some oil on it, you know, don't let it rust. I've had one of these now for, I think my mum bought it for me in something like 2021, and I've still got the original blade. Okay, it's a bit blunt, but for rough stuff now, it still works. Okay, so if you look after the stuff, it'll look after you. A bit like the old adage from Only Fools and Horses with the brooms, if you've seen that sketch. Anyway, that's enough of me rabbiting. Wolf Garten products, top-notch quality things. Certain products for domestic use, you'll get good warranties, 10, 15, 30-year warranty on things. I've never tested the 30-year warranty thing, so don't come back to me about that. But like always, don't forget to like, subscribe. Any questions, ping us a comment. Hopefully we'll get back to you at some point. Hit that subscribe bit. Okay, all right guys, we'll see you soon.